Today I'm showing you how to turn this into this. Yo, what's up people from the internet, my name is Zowex and today I'm gonna teach you how to use LFO in FL Studio Mobile. But before we begin, I just wanted to say thank you for 4,000 subscribers.
Thank you!
It's insane, I really appreciate it, and maybe we can hit 5k before 2022. If you want to make that happen, then please check if you're subscribed, and if you're not, you know what to do. So we have our project right here. And it sounds like future bass. It's especially, this tutorial is especially for future bass. And then we want to turn like one note like it's wobbling, like it's talking. And that's what I'm going to teach you today. So we're going to, whatever thing you use, you just search for LFO. Like whatever synthesizer you use, if you use GM synth or mini synth or direct wave, or I don't know if for transistor bass, but if you use one of those, just go to LFO, and normally it starts right here. Okay, it starts with hertz. You want to go to TMP sync, want to click that, and normally it starts with 1/8. Starts with 1/8. We don't want that. We want to set that on a half. It doesn't make a difference right now, but if you go to amount and you go to 100, and you need to make sure it's on level, not on filter. It starts with filter if you open it, so you want to put it on level, and then we have tada. For future bass, this is amazing. Like it's now on sine wave, but you can use saw wave, square wave, and random. I have no idea what random does, but it's supposed to do something. But we want to set it on sine, and want to put the attack a little bit up, like 27, and want to do that for everything we have, every sound we have. We want to put the exact same settings, so it sounds like one. And now it sounds like this. Pretty cool, right? So we're going to do the exact same for the bass. Temp sync, a half, sine wave, attack, 27, yeah, 27. 100 amount, and also for the sub bass, like this, a little bit like that. It's basically done. Just make sure that everything fits, and basically that's it for future bass. It's pretty simple. So there you go. This is how this is basically what LFO is for. Also, other cool tricks you can do with it if you put it to frequency. You can use it like that, or for panning. A filter, but you need to have a filter on here. I don't know how that works just yet, but I will figure it out. This is the filter. There you go. Low pass filter, band pass filter, high pass filter. And you can change it right here. I just put it off for now, but that's how that works. And it works with everything. So eventually you get this sick track for future bass. Thank you for watching. I hope this was very helpful. If you wanted to know more about LFO, this is everything I can show you. I think this is how my brain works. This is what my brain knows about LFO. So, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've learned something new. And please check if you're subscribed. And watch some of my other videos. They're on screen right now. Thank you again for 4K subscribers. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.